So, Oladekun Isaac, you are welcome to today's class. Bashira, you are welcome to today's class. Today
Thank you.
we are going to talk on Python programming language proper. So today we are going to the basics of Python programming language. First of all, we are going to know keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python and cannot be used as an identifier. This means that a keyword is only reserved by Python programming language. You cannot use it. You cannot use it to name any other thing. It's just meant for the Python alone. So we are going to look on identifier. What is identifier? Identifier is a name given to entities like class, function, variable, etc. It helps to differentiate entity from another. So this means that when you are naming a variable, the name you give a variable is known as identifier. And identifier and variable are similar, just that data variable holds data. So identifier and variable have similar rules. So I just mentioned three rules. You can also research on the various rules which identifier and variable have. So identifier and variable cannot start with digits and cannot start with a special symbol and cannot use a keyword. A keyword. I will show you an example of what I just said just now. So this a this a variable I just named. Here, this var is an identifier, while this 12 is a variable, while the equal to is known as assignment. So if I use digit as the first word or a first word there, it will not run. It will give me an error code. So let me run it for you to see. See, it will show me an error. It will show me an error. So it's still loading. Let's just wait. So you see invalid decimal literal. So it will show me an error. So once I remove the one, I run. I remove the one and I run. Automatically it will print the 12 for me. It will print the 12 for me. So this is an example of what we are saying, these rules. If I use a special character like at, you see it will produce an error for me. It will produce an error for me. So the system do not recognize this special uh, symbol. It's not a good way of naming a variable. So still the same thing. So there are so many keywords in Python. So I would like you to go after the end of the class, go and study it. Research for the keyword in Python programming language. So we are going to also look at how to know the type of or the type of what we just did just now. So this variable is a string. For us to know that this this var I name is a string, I will just use type and string. It will print str, meaning this var is a string. So let me run it. If you see when I run it, type string var string bracket close, it will print str, meaning it's a string. Now I want to tell you the different type of assignment. We have different type of assignment. We have the single line assignment and then more single line assignment and multiple line assignment. So we are going to look on the multiple line assignment. So I just want you to know that this interval is a variable, it's an identifier, and here is also an identifier. This float var is also an identifier, while the string var is also an identifier. So this int var take the first number here 67, while float var take the second number 78.6. You know, in mathematics a floating number is a number, a whole number with points. So we are going to look on how to get each and every one of the number present here. So I'll just when I run it, it will print the second number. You see it, it will print the second number. So if I copy this first word here and replace it here, it will print the first word. So if you are following, just give me a thumbs up. Hello? Hello, are you following? Isaac. Yeah, good. Nice one. So I've seen your thumbs up. So the next one is we are going to look on data types, data types and data types. Now, now this variable we just assign here as 12. When we print it, it will give me 12, right? Now, for us to know the type of data type, when we use the print bracket type bracket the variable here, it will show me a class of integer. It will show me a class of integer, meaning this number here is an integer, is an integer. So okay, just watch me when I do something like this, like hello world, then I run it. When I print it, it show me hello world. But this one now, I want to know the type. Now you see the class will change. You see the class have already changed to str, meaning it's a string. Hmm? That's already shown me. So now this v float, I name it as v float and I put 34 plus 14 j. Now that plus is also known as concatenating, meaning joining. Now this j, the system will not recognize it because it will override the first one as a integer. This is the outcome of it. Now if I run it, let me because I did not run the first one, let me run the first one. Now I run it again. It will show me, okay, it will show me a complex. It's a complex number. It's a complex data type. It's a complex. Okay. The class is complex. Now we'll go to Boolean. We'll go to Boolean. Most times you see the most times you see some other programs like VS Code, it will show the first one as integer. Now we'll go to Boolean. Boolean has only two numbers, either true or false. True or false. Now the first one is bool1. Bool1 is equal to true. When I look for the type, it will show me the class is bool, meaning Boolean. See the same thing, the false, it will show me the class is Boolean. So I will, okay, now we have not reached this side. Now let me create another code. We are going to comment, 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 comment in Python. Comment in Python can be used to explain the line of code. It can use for readability. Okay. Comment can be used to explain code for more readability. Comment, so comment can be used to explain line of code. So there are different ways of writing a comment. We have the single line comment. Single line comment. For example, this is a way you use your hash. Maybe you write single line comment. So now I can go straight to my code. Let me just use var1. var1 is equal to 10. So this is a single line comment. Now I want to use multiple line comment now. So let me go to the net. Let me create another. Now I can use it like this. I can use it like this. Hash multiple multiple hash line hash code or comments. So this is the way of writing a multiple line of comment. You can also use your string. You can also use your string. You can also use your string. So you can also use your string like this to write your comments. Maybe multiple like that. So this is a single. Now let me create another one for the multiple line. So first of all, we create a tool, or let me use three multiple multiple line comments, multiple line comments. Then you had your string. your three string. This is how to write your multiple line of comment. So we also have different type of writing a statement in Python programming language. We have the single line statement, we have the multiple line statement, and so I will give you an example of a single line statement and multiple line statement. So, okay, a single line statement. Let me say P1 is equal to, let me say 10 plus 10. This is a single line statement. This is a single line statement. When I run it, it will produce 20 for me because it already added together. So it's a single line statement. So let me run another one for you again to look for maybe multiple line. Let me say P2 is equal to P2 is equal to maybe 20 20 plus maybe 30. Then we use our slash. When you are writing a multiple line statement, always remember to put your slash. So plus, let me add 40, let me add 40 plus, let me let me let me say 50 plus, let me add another one plus. Okay, we'll go to the next line. Let me say plus again. 17 plus 80. Then if I want to run it, then I will just type my P2 under, let me write my P2 under P2. You will see that the system automatically, okay, I forgot to put the 80 here. So when I run it again, it's processing. Let me see. Okay, say P2 is not defined. Okay, look at, it's because I use a capital letter, which at the beginning I use small letter. So when I run it, automatically it calculates everything for me. Okay, look at add everything together, it will give you 294, 290, 290. Sorry. When you add everything together, it will give you 290. So if you are following, just give me a thumbs up so that I will know that everybody is following and they are in class. Well, okay. I can see your thumbs up. Yes, I can see your thumbs up. So let me go to the next. Now we are going to talk about indentation. We are going to talk about indentation. Indentation, indent, indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line. Full stop. It is it is Very important, very important, as Python uses indentation, uses indentation to indicate, it uses it to indicate a block, a block of code, a block of code, block of code, full stop. So if the indentation, if the indentation is not correct, we will end up having error. We will end up having indentation error. So now, example of indentation. So we are going to write a code of indentation. We are going to write a code of indentation. So let's look on the various code when we are writing indentation. So so okay, let's give, for example, let's assign p equal to 10. P equal to 10. So we want to write an if statement. If p is equal to equal to, so let me, this two equal to means equal to in Python, but if you are just writing just one equal to, it means you are assigning a variable. Please take note. So if p, if p is equal to 10, 10 comma, then column. So print, now you see, this is where the indentation comes in. Print brackets p is equal to 10, equal to 10. So when I run it now, you see the result. The result said p is equal to 10. Now let me move this word, this print, come back and run it. You will see an error. It's loading. Okay, can somebody tell me what was the error? Read the statement the error generated. Hello, unmute your mic and read it.
Indentation error.
Indentation. Followed by,
Expected an indented block after if.
okay, you see, in line 2. That is to show you that the Python recognize indentation. It's a must. You must indent your work when you are given a condition. And it's not only when you are given a condition sef, but when times come, you will need to indent your work and it make it readable and understandable. It is more important in developing in Python programming language. So at least you can look for some other work and have a good understanding of it. You can try to practice what you learn. So we are going to string now. We are going to string. So on how to create a string. So let me open my other notebook. Let me on other notebook a string. So I have already written this class down for us not to waste time. So today we are going to enter string now. So at least we have moved from basics uh, to the maybe intermediate. Now you are moving from one level now. When you are in this class, you you did not expect to get up to this string. So that is how the class will walk through. At the end of it, you come out a success. So you come out successful. So today we are going to talk about string creation. So this is an example of string. I've already explained it at the very beginning. I was telling you a variable and a keyword. This is how to assign a variable. You work with string and all. Okay, this is a string. Now this quote is a string. That is what the Python recognizes as a string. Now when I run it and print it, it will just print just the hello word and remove the string to tell you that it's a string. Now if I want to know the type, if I not just want to know the type, I just want the Python to tell me the type. So I'll just come like this and type bracket, then bracket close, then I run it. You see, it will tell me it's a string. That is how to write a string. And so we are going to indexing. We are going to indexing. So I want to show you a picture in Python. So I want to browse it so that you have a good understanding in Python. Indexing, indexing in Python. Okay, we are going to index in Python. Now I'm looking for the picture so that you have a good idea of indexing. Now, I said this is the pictures I need now. So I want the system to load first so that we can get the picture of what indexing means. Oh, my network, what's wrong? What is wrong? Okay, before this network processing the picture, so I just want you to know that we have forward indexing and backward indexing. Indexing means in Python a way to access a particular letter or a particular number, anything you want to access. So that is what indexing mean. So I want to show you this picture. I'm still waiting for the picture to load. My network, I don't know if it's my network, sha. So still waiting. I'm looking for the picture. Okay, let me use this one. System is still loading. Let us stay patient a little. Okay, if you are in class, I just need a thumbs up, please. Hello, thumbs up from you. Hello, Isaac, Ashira. Good news.
Hello, hello, please, I'm with you.
Okay. hmm I'm looking for a picture and the system is still loading. Picture is loading. I don't know if you can see it very well, sha. Okay. If you can see it, you see where I'm pointing string. Hmm? This string for us to access the s in forward indexing, we can access it with o. In backward indexing, we can access it with -6. Still the same thing apply to everything here. In 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 forward indexing, you can access the t with 1, while backward is -5. Like that. This is how it works in Python programming language. So let's go direct to the code proper. So let's go to the code proper. So now I want to write str str now. Okay. Mm, let me copy this. Let me copy this and name it as 4. Let me use stri 4. Okay. Let me use this. Let me use this. I'm coming. Okay. Let me print. Let me print it out. Let me print it out. str4. It's loading. Network is really bad now. Okay. It has already printed hello world for me now. For me to get this H now, I want to get it uh, using the forward indexing. Now I'll type like this: stri 4, the square bracket, then O. Once I type it like this and run, you will see it will give me H. It will give me H. Did you see it? I need your response.
Yes, we can see that.
Okay. Now, uh, if I need the second one, I use 2. Once I run it, it will give me E. Okay, sorry. It's 0, 1. Once I run it, it will give me E. E. This is how to access numbers, letters, anything you want to access using your forward and backward indexing. Now, let me use the backward indexing. Now, the backward, let's go back to our picture. You see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you are using the backward, automatically the G becomes -1. The- In backward, no zero, no -0 because it's zero. No -0. It will start with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. This is how it works. In forward indexing, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So let's go back to our code now. Let me get H now. For me to get H, I have to count now. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. The space is -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11. When I write -11, it will print H for me. Did you see it? I need your response.
Yes, you can see that.
Okay. That is how to access it. Now, we are going to talk about slicing in Python. We are going to talk about slicing. Slicing means breaking or fetching a particular word, fetching a particular word. Now, we are going to use the forward indexing to fetch, okay, to fetch our our hello word. Now, I want to get just the hello. I don't need this space and the word. So I just want to get this hello. For me to get it now, I have to work it like this. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and colon, then 4. Automatically, it will print H for me. Hello. Oh, it's 5, Joe. 5. It will print hello for me. Did you see it? Hello? I need your
Hello,
response.
we are with you.
Okay. Now, we are slicing it. We just want to access this hello. Now, who can tell me the space? What is the number of this space using um, forward indexing? I need your response. Who can tell me the number of this space? Hello? Hello? Are you with me? Oh, you don't want to respond again. It's getting tough, Abby.
No,
Just try.
actually, we are still with you. That should be six, abi? That should
Just
be six because counting from zero, that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's six.
6. Okay, let me use 5 and 6. Let me use 5 and 6. 5 and 6. You know why I'm using 5 and 6? I don't want to get this alone. I just want to get the space alone. Let me try. Did you see it? Did you see how it works? You know, zero from zero, H is zero. H is zero. E is one. L is two. The other L is three. The other zero is four. Hmm? The other zero is four. O is four. Now, for you to get the LO, you have to like type 0 to 5. Automatically, it will pick 1 to 0. You know, I don't know how to explain it for you guys. Okay, now let me create a space. Let me create a space where I can type now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please, can you count the number here?
That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, count it like from one, not from zero.
Okay, from 1. Okay,
Yes,
that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4.
not four. Count again. Zero is one.
Zero.
Zero is
Okay, zero is zero. Okay, that'll be okay. That's 5, Abby.
five.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Did you see? That is how we get the zero, the five here. So this five is as this LO, this minus, and the six is this other space. Hope you understand.
Yes, I think I understand now.
You understand.
Can you write maybe something else and maybe probably ask us so that to
Okay, to get a full understanding of it.
exactly like write something else. Try to get another space and then
Okay, now.
ask us what the space is going to be.
Okay, now. Okay, okay, now. Um, let me create a variable. A variable. Let me say James equal to James equal to now the string I say Python. Now I just want to okay. I just want to get who can tell me how to get P? Who can tell me how to get P?
So if you want to get P, that will be we are going to slice it and that will be 0
Okay.
0 1
Zero
0
one.
yeah semicolon 1 yeah. Huh?
You see? There's an error.
Okay. I think we can make use of wait, I'm coming. That will be I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's use a minus
Minus what?
7
Minus what?
minus 7 minus 6.
Okay. Minus
if it
7.
if it will work.
Minus 7. Minus 6. Huh?
Yes,
Minus 6, right?
yes, minus 6.
It's still
It's still the
proving
same
an
thing.
error.
It's okay.
Who can still
It
try?
seems you do not understand.
Who
Me, I don't understand.
can still try? Ah, who can try?
Good.
Who can try? Hello, if you know it, just try. Here is minus one. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, see what I want you to do. Just tell me to write 0. It will print nothing, right? Tell me to print 1. It will print nothing. So, who can tell me what to do? Just tell me so that we'll walk through together.
Okay. Can you try? Can you try minus 7?
Uh-huh.
Will it work that way?
Minus 7. Uh-huh.
Ma- -7. Uh, semicolon. Will it work that way? Yeah, the semicolon. Is it
Let me write it.
semicolon 0? Semicolon 0. If it's a work, if not, because me I don't understand. You see,
It's very tricky, right?
instructor, abeg, tell us this thing. Because
Okay. See, now for us to get this number, we have to use maybe yes, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hmm? And starting for the backward is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So now, for us to get it like this, let's try. Still producing an error. So let's try. Oh. Let's try. Okay, what if I use, let's try an error, shall we are trying to get it right. Minus 6 is invalid. It's showing me invalid. So, oh,
is it
oh,
possible? Is it possible we try? Is it possible we try like empty space then semicolon 1?
empty space.
And like you will not put anything then semicolon 1. If it's going to work like that.
Okay. Now let me
Ah,
print let me print this James. I'm coming. Now let me access it with 0.
Oh, can you try to slice any part of the string apart from that P? Maybe to try and slice that T or something and see if it's going to work.
The T.
Yes, maybe the T.
Okay. Let me try the T. 0, 1, 2. It's not wrong. Okay, again. I don't know what's wrong. So let me go back to see what's
And
wrong again.
I feel it's not about slicing. I think something is
Wrong.
wrong
It's
somewhere.
network. Or maybe it's network because okay. Let me slice again. I'm running it. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Let me use 3. Okay, if you see here, it work. It will produce LO. When you use 3 column 6, it will print LO. Now 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. That is L. Okay. Print O. Now let me try H. Let me try H.
I think hello,
Ah,
hello. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
I think I think I've seen where the mistake is. That James, I think it's not supposed to be James equals to open bracket 2. Like that equal to is not supposed to be there. I think that's what is giving us a trouble.
Really?
No, for the slicing. No, for the slicing.
Yeah.
That 32 line 32.
Line 32. Look at it.
That yeah, yes, that James equals to. I
Okay.
think that equal to is not supposed to be there for the
Oh, yeah,
slicing.
you just debugged the error. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's what has been giving us the problem.
Yes, yes. Wow, great work from you. Because I was trying all I could. I could not get my final answer. So I think you are right there. I didn't even. That is how Python is. So you debug error. If you want to
Exactly.
battle and you battle with error, you just like dots. You battle with error. Dot can spoil your work. So now, what do you suggest now to access? Hmm?
Okay. So let's try that 0 semicolon 1.
Let's try
Come in.
0 column. Where's what is happening? It's printing two for me. How did it get to? Wait. I'm coming. Okay, you see, it just prints. Okay, it just lies from P. Okay, 0, 1, 2. From here, it slice it and produce the output from here. We are slicing from the we are slicing for the forward. So when you use two, you access it like this. So we want to get this n and this p. Now for us to access the p, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use minus 7, if it will work, minus 7, minus 7 give me nothing. Okay, let me use minus 6. Okay, did you see it? Hello? Did you understand what I did just now? Hello?
Yes. Hello.
So you understand what I did? Now
Yes.
I slice the back from the backward. In this column here, these two column, this column,
Yeah.
this place where 6 is the backward. Huh? Why here is the forward.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
So that is how
Yes.
I access it. Now I want to access the space, this space here. Now 1, 2, 3. If I type 3, I will get the space.
How are you?
Oh,
Emma,
wait, I'm coming.
your phone.
I want to use my backward.
The way the thing they pay me.
I want to
Please,
use my
I
backward
wish I get money. I wish
access.
I get one
Please
less
mute
money.
your mic. I want to use my
Who is
backward,
it?
my forward to access my space, to access the space here. Now, for us to use the forward, now we have to calculate 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Then when I type 2, I will get the space. Okay, 3, John. 3. I will get the space. Did you see it? Hello? Hello? Isaac.
Hello. Yes, yes.
Yes. So
I see that.
yes,
Yes, I see that.
I access it using the forward and the backward. Now, for us to access the space, now I have to calculate from here 1, minus 2, minus 3. Hmm? That is how we got minus 3. Now, for us to access the space, now 0, 1, 2. 3 is the space here. Eh? So you have to type the 3 here. Then you access the space. So I just want to hear from others. Bashira, are you following? Hello, Bashira. Can you unmute your mic and speak? Okay, good news. Good news. Hello, good news. Mr. Light, are you following? Okay, yeah, I see your comment. Good news. Meaning good news is doing another thing. Okay. Hello, Bash. Hello, Bashira. Ah, all these people just drop their phone or drop it somewhere and be playing or doing other thing. So let's continue to our class. Now we have
I dey hear you, I dey follow up. But I dey boss, I dey go house now.
okay. Now we are moving to uh, concatenation. We have tried for today to understand the concept of string slicing and all. So we are moving to concatenation. Concatenation means joining joining, concatenation. I'm coming. So concatenation. We are going to learn concatenation. Concatenation. String concatenation. String concatenation. Concatenation is the joining of two strings together. Concatenation. Concatenation is the joining of two strings together. So it's the joining of two strings together. Now we want to write an example of a concatenation. Now let me use S1. Let me use James, string James. Now S2, John, James, James. Let me write James and John and John. So I want to add them together. I want to join them to produce James and John. This is the process. Now I will declare a variable called S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. Now this plus is the addition, is the joining of two um, variable together. So now I want to print our S3. You see, it produces James and John. Did you see? It produced James and John. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Okay.
you're with you. Hello, you're with you.
Okay. It produces James and John. This is the joining of two strings together. So, okay, did not, I did not teach you how to delete, delete a string. I did not teach you how to delete a string. How to delete a string now. Okay, let's let me use this as an example. Okay, let me use this as an example. Now, this is a string called Python. I want to delete this James variable called Python. Now, for us to delete it now, I will write a del. Del means delete James. Delete maybe James. Let me say James. Okay. When I run it, automatically James has been deleted. Now, let me print James. Let me print James. You will see, it will tell me James is not defined. Did you see it? Hello.
See that? Hello, you can see that.
Wow. So you said gems is not defined, but why? Because I've deleted the gems. So I've deleted anything concerning gems. So we use del to delete. We use del to delete in Python. So and we okay, as I will also tell you how to iterate through a string, like how to iterate iterating a string. So I will give you an example of how to do it now. So write the code now. Okay. Now let me write this text before the code. Now, sorry, what is wrong? Not yet. Okay, now we are iterating through a string. Through a string, we are iterating through a string. Now, let me write a code. Let me write a code. Let me assign an example before an example of a variable before I will tell you how to perform the iteration. So my string, I'm declaring an example. My string is equal to string, okay, hello world, hello. Let me use hello everyone, hello everyone. So I want to, when I print it now, when I print my string, oh, I have not looked at the chat, so I don't know how to
Hello, we are not hearing you again. Oh. Yes, we are with you. Yes, we are with you. Hello, hello. Yes, we are with you. Yes, you can see that. Okay, but okay. Thank you very much. We appreciate you to giving us the time to teach us. Hello, 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 instructor. Can you hear me? Yes, I even want to say something about writing the summary that since you are going to be dropping the what's it called, the video, the link to the video on the group, that is it necessary to be writing the summary again?